So hey guys, welcome to my backyard. Sunday morning. I've been mowing my grass and taking care of a few things here around the house, and I've got my 3D archery target here. Has come apart. I've neglected my archery range. Now I want to use it. As you can see, my deer, my 3D target, has lost a leg, so I'm gonna try and fix it. I'm gonna let you watch and see how I do it, and maybe, just maybe, we'll be able to get another year out of this thing. I spend a lot of money, right, on these 3D targets, and they're fun to have, they're fun to shoot, but they're not made of the best quality, so they fall apart. Well, we need to be creative and figure out ways to use them. So I got a solution, I think. All right, now this is not a proven, make sure my video is right here, proven tactic, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay, so what I got is I got this product here called Great Stuff. Okay, Great Stuff, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shove a piece of wood up in here, and I'm gonna take the leg. I got a piece of wood already in there. I'm gonna take the leg and I'm gonna line it up on here. I'm gonna shoot that Great Stuff in there. I'm gonna block this thing up like that. See if we can't get just a little bit more use out of this thing. I got this Great Stuff. Let's open it up and see. This is a great place to live. I love living here, man. This is a swamp behind my house. This is the only house I ever looked at to buy. I saw this house and I bought it. Never looked at another piece of real estate in my life. It was probably a mistake, but in my case it wasn't. I bought this place. I have seen everything here except white-tailed deer. We've had a black bear right there. I got wild hogs back there. We've got turkeys. I come out here in the morning, have my coffee, and in the springtime hear turkeys gobbling, and I can go out and go hunting somewhere on public land and not hear none. Just the way it goes, right? So all right, so we got our goop here, and I had alligators. There's a canal. This floods quite often. All right, I think we're ready to go. I don't know if you have to shake it up. Could read the instructions, but I've cut a hole in the leg here, and I want to shove this up in there, and then I'm gonna just pull the trigger and just let it fill up. This sounds like it's ready to go. Get it in the right position. All right, here we go. Not to waste any time. I'm gonna shove that thing right up in there. Pull the trigger. Here we go. And I'm gonna put it in there until it comes out. All right, we're gonna let that sit. I'm afraid that this is not going to support. All right, we'll come back in a minute and see how we did. Okay, so what do you think about that? Never get any easier. All right, so that's fixing the archery range. I'm glad the target's fixed. Worked real good. You can use too much of that goop. I put a little too much in and it poured out the side. It blows up inside the cavity of the deer and pushed a little bit out of the way, but I was able to fix it and make it work. So if you got a 3D target that's busted, get some of that great stuff and put a little reinforcement inside there and shove it up in there and push it and let it dry real good and repair your archery target sitting out there somewhere. Anyway, I checked my results for my quota permits. I got Rock Springs Archery, I got Gothy muzzleloader, and I got Gothy modern gun. So it looks like it's going to be a Gothy kind of year. I really should go to Gothy and do a couple archery hunts and prepare to do it. It's stretching the distance I'm willing to drive. It's an hour and 22 minutes just to the turnoff. But I'll do it. I'll give it a try, and I hope you guys got drawn as well. All right, talk to you guys soon. See you. Bye.